then it's easier for me to speak to you. Yeah. This is Thomas, but not Thomas Cook. This is Thomas Müller. This is the owner from Jonquiland. Jonquiland, this is a fun park, a familiar fun park. What you here and can do, I will explain it to you. These are Alphorns, made of wood, all handmade. It's a traditional Swiss instrument. We have this when we have traditional events. Then we have these nice clothes. This is a Sunday dress from 200 years ago, I think so. The lady's wearing, and he as well. It's the Sunday dress, what they had then. Sunday dress. Yes. This instrument costs about 2,000 to 3,000 euro. It depends a little bit. You will have the opportunity to blow inside afterwards if you would like to. In Jonquiland we have our famous luge ride. This is a lot of fun. I have to explain to you afterwards how it works. Inside the old mill we are going to serve you to taste traditional Swiss food like fondue and rösti, that's potato, alu. Then we have masala chai, we have Nescoffee, we have our famous apple vodka drink. And downstairs the old mill, you can have a look if you would like to how it worked 500 years ago, an old mill. It was water crafted. We are here in the canton of Lucerne, that's in the middle of Switzerland, or in the heart a little bit. Yes, I think that's all you need to know. The washrooms are to your right in the yellow cabin or in the old mill. There are 2 more washrooms. And I have to explain to you that luge, that's very important. Would you like to sit here and show to the people how it works?
Yeah.
Would you like to sit? You have, yes, straight your legs.
Good
Yes.
boy.
Wow.
Look at the pictures.
Yes. Then you have to pull towards your breast, then it breaks. This way it breaks. No, you have to keep here. Always the hands here. But he has to go with somebody. He's too small. And then if you want to go faster, you can go this way.
Holding, like that.
Holding, yes. Always hold this one.
All the time
Okay.
you have to hold it.
And the most important thing, when you are down, you have to remain seated until you are coming back up. Don't get off the luge. You are coming back up.
Exactly.
Okay?
From method.
Yes. No, you don't have to. To power yourself upwards. I have to tell something else.
Alright. It's very simple. Okay. ब्रेक मारने के लिए ये और ये धीरे धीरे छोड़ते रहना है. ओके, अगर आगे जाने के लिए ऊपर से आप घूम घूम के नीचे आएंगे फिसल पट्टी. ऑलराइट. एक बार जब नीचे आ गए तो यू जस्ट लीव इट लाइक दैट. ओके, एक मोटर है आपको फिर से ऊपर लेके आएगा. ठीक है ना, नीचे जाके